Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Rinse 2 cups split peas and pick out debris. Spread them on a towel and scan for small stones. Soak split peas for 1 hour or use quick soak. Simmer 5 minutes, then rest 1 hour, which shortens cooking time and improves texture. Meanwhile, chop 1 medium onion, 2 carrots, and 2 stalks celery into 1/2-inch pieces so they cook evenly. Mince 2 cloves garlic and set aside. Measure spices and stock before you begin to keep the process smooth and continuous. Heat a heavy pot over medium heat and add 2 tablespoons olive oil. Sauté vegetables in 2 tablespoons olive oil for 6 minutes until soft, then add minced garlic and cook 30 seconds. Add peas, 4 cups vegetable or chicken stock, 1 bay leaf and 1/2 teaspoon thyme, and stir to combine. Increase heat to bring to a lively boil, then reduce to low and cover. Bring to a boil. Then simmer covered 25-30 minutes until peas are tender and falling apart, and remove bay leaf and blend half the soup for creaminess, or use immersion blender to puree to desired texture, leaving some whole peas if you prefer more body. If the soup is too thick, add up to 1 cup extra stock and whisk until smooth. Stir in 1/2 cup heavy cream or 1/2 cup coconut milk and adjust salt to taste, about 1 teaspoon, and add a grind of black pepper. Serve hot with croutons and a drizzle of olive oil and fresh, chopped parsley for contrast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.